Alright, look at this thing. There's a squirrel in there. There's a squirrel in here. Come here. Hey, buddy squirrel. Come on out. Come on out. I'm going to let the squirrel out. There he is. Bye-bye, buddy.
That's funny. Where did he go?
He was stuck in there, I think. We helped him.
So that's what people do for squirrels.
So the sheep herders used to have their sheep over here and feed them and water them here before they transferred them down to Grass Valley in Nevada City.
But this is kind of Grass Valley.
This is a grass valley, you're right. Very pretty here. So this says Henness Pass Road, Kyburz Flat. Took up Mud Spring Valley, Sardine Valley, then down a rough descent and into another little valley, 3 miles. Good grass here, then went 2 miles to Little Truckee River. Loring Samuel Comstock, August 19th, 1855. Beautiful out here. Let's go check out this little interpretive trail.
Hey, come on.
Used to have a hotel here, a well, barn, corral, root cellar. Pretty awesome. You can see why it's beautiful. So here's the root cellar. You can see it. The rocks are in a circular fashion. Pretty cool. Let's go see what's down here. Another beautiful part of the valley. Ooh, a little hawk.
Hey, I like things.
That's where the corral used to be.
Bye, Dad.
Beautiful.
That's not important.
This is where the barn used to be. Rest and feed your animals. What does the title say?
Moore's.
Yep. Station.
Well.
Yep. That's where they used to have the water. Down in that big hole.
Okay, time to walk the planks.
This last spot was the what?
Moore's Hotel.
Hotel. So you stayed the night after a long dusty day on the trail. And you got that view. Man, I would have stayed here anytime. Some remnants of something. Old glass. Probably some beer bottles from the hotel. Cool.
Yeah, glass.
Yep, and probably some old beer bottles or something like that.
Beer bottle.
And here's some more. Whoa. Old can remnants. Nails. See some old square nails? That's really cool.
Square nail.
Yeah, that's a big square nail. Very cool.
I threw it into the bush.
Don't leave it there so other people can enjoy it.
Where did...
Don't do that. It's just for this little strip when we ride out and cross. And we ride down.
I feel bad for this dog.
Yeah, lost dog. If we find them, we'll call the number.
There must be lots of posters.
Can I get up there?
Hey! Oh, he's flying. Okay.
Westward ho. This is where the Donner Party camped, down in here. What does it say?
A family has west.
Heads west. So they left from Springfield, Illinois, went through Missouri, all through the Midwest, ended up in Fort Bridger, Wyoming. We've been there. And it says they learned about the Sandy River and took a shortcut. Beautiful day. It says the nightmare begins. They were the first to take wagons through the new Hastings Cutoff. Although shorter, it was a difficult detour through rugged mountains and arid deserts. The immigrants lost valuable time, oxen, and supplies. One person was banished, 5 people died, and mishaps of their journey made them late in searching for the Sierra Nevada mountains. We've been this way before. The party divides. On October 28, 1846, the 6 covered wagons brought west by George and Jacob Donner and their families halted here for repairs. By March of 1847, one half of the party and 22 adults and children had died of starvation and cold. They came west seeking a new life and found misery and death. It says the large pine in front of us sheltered George and Tamzine family, and the tree was cut down and used for firewood. That tree right there. Near this spot stood the tree which marked what was believed to be the campsite of the family of George Donner in the winter of 1846. Fight to stay alive. By December the 20th, the outlook was grim. Jacob Donner and 3 of his teamsters had died. The cold and dampness were constant. As snow piled higher, dry firewood was harder to find. Food was scarce. They cut down all these trees to have for firewood. Alright, down the trail. They tried to stay warm and they ran out of firewood.
They could have kept chopping trees.
They should have turned around and went back towards Reno or somewhere down there.
I know. I'm sorry.
Surviving the snowy trek out. In February 1847, the first relief party from Sutter's Fort arrived. 2 more relief parties came in March. It took 14 people out of here across the frozen Sierra. Only 11 survived. 8 were children.